MetaTrader 4, or MT4 for short, is a widely used online trading platform developed by MetaQuotes Software Corp. It allows traders to see live price quotes, receive market news, analyze price charts, place and manage trades, use or even develop expert advisors, trading robots, customized indicators, scripts, and manage their accounts. MT4 resides on the trader's computer and for that is also called Client Terminal. MT4 Client Terminal consists of 4 modules: the chart, the market watch, the navigator, and the terminal. Needless to say that the Client Terminal provides a main menu of commands, functions, and options just like any other software application. It is located under the title bar. Just below the main menu, a number of toolbars are located, namely Standard, Charts, Line Studies, Timeframes. At the bottom right corner of the Client Terminal is the connection status. If it is all red, then there is no connection between the Client Terminal and the server of the broker. The widespread use of MT4 is often attributed to the ease of use and the built-in Meta editor, which offers the opportunity to traders to develop their own trading software in MetaQuotes Language 4, or MQL4 for short.
Want to be the first to know about new videos? Hit the subscribe button now.